rectangle, square. Let's start making shape. I have thermocol sheet, erase paper, ice cream stick, glue, scissors, glue. Our car is ready. Our rectangle is ready. Our triangle is ready. Our circle is ready. We have cut our sheet.